In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the A-pillar on a 2017 Honda Accord. Start out by taking this rubber seal that's adjacent to the A-pillar here and just pull down on it a little bit, just enough so you can get your hand in behind the A-pillar. And you're just going to pull out, and it'll come partially out and then stop. And that's because there's a special clip right here for the side airbags. And so when the airbags deploy, it keeps this molding from blowing off. So pull it out until it stops, and then you're going to slide it back towards the rear of the car. And it slides it off of that clip. Now when you go to put this back on, you're going to want to take this clip off by pushing on the tabs with a small screwdriver. There's a tab on the top here and a tab on the bottom. Pushing on one tab and pulling out with the other hand, keeping pressure on it. Go to the top and push it on that tab, and it comes out, and you see it's a two-piece clip. You want to slide this white part back until it clips on to the black part, and then take the molding and just slide it back into position. And then when you go to put it back on, just line these clips up along with that clip and just push it back in, and it'll clip in. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.